For this recipe, I'm going to put a couple in the bottles, but the rest we're going to go ahead and water bath. And our main ingredient for this sauce is going to be blueberries. Always wash them off, go through them a little bit, make sure you don't have any big stems or anything like that, anything undesirable. We're going to measure out about 4 cups, and we'll go from there. Sterilizing our glass for 10 minutes at 275. Ingredients: 12 hot peppers, 4 cups of blueberries, frozen or fresh, 4 oranges, 2 limes, some onion, a half a cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of distilled white vinegar. I like to go ahead and get some of this done before we start cooking. Makes it much easier. Well, and I know I've got some seeds in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and strain that out. Take those seeds and the pulp right out of there. This is what they warn you about. I'm only going to touch these with the one hand, because I made a mistake and I don't have any gloves. I got a combination of ghosts, reapers, and scorpions here. These are the ones we picked up right before the frost. Ooh! Go ahead and we're going to coarse chop these a little bit. Still have to chop a little bit of onion. But we're just about ready. The jars have been sterilized. Got the water bath set up. Got everything else measured out. I think we're about ready to try to start making some hot sauce. We'll let that cook about 10 minutes, reduce that down, then we're going to go ahead and the orange juice. Okay, so we've been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and add the orange and the lime juice. We'll let that come right back up to a boil, and then we're going to shut off the heat. We're going to let it cool off, and then we're going to blend it. Everything's nice and cooked and nice and soft. Let's go ahead and turn the heat off. Pull it up, let it cool. All I can tell you is this better be good. Put the lids on finger tight. As soon as that comes to a boil, we'll drop it down in there for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. We've taken them out of the water bath. For full instructions, click that link right there. Now I got a little chicken for dinner, and I thought we ought to try this. A little thick from that, a little thick from the onions, I think. Nothing like purple food. Now I think I could have added a couple more of those Carolina Reapers. That is just sweet. It has almost no heat at all. This is wonderful. I'm going to pop this top off. I'm not getting quite as... Oop, be careful. This is purple. Don't get it on your wife's stove. Oh, there you go. That'll give us a decent taste. You hear that popping? That means they're sealed. That has really nice blueberry flavor. It's got a little bit of heat to it. If you want something to do with your hot peppers, this is one fine recipe. Honey, get in here. I'm going to eat it all. Till next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.